Hello.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
Yami, how was your experience as a blind woman in Kabil?
It just opened up, I think, all my senses. That's what I would
That's
say.
great.
Yeah, because it's been a very enriching experience working with the team. I think I got to work in such an early stage only, I would feel, with such veterans like Rakesh ji, such a huge star like Ritik, but who's so passionate about this craft. And Sanjay, Shudip Da, so many, the entire team. It's been a fantastic experience.
It was your first experience as a disabled person or as a disabled person in this movie, Kabil?
You know, for some reason I would not call them disabled at all because they're very much able, and that's what Kabil is all about.
Okay.
And you realize, especially when you were preparing for the role, that's a notion that we have, that they're restricted. Of course, you can understand there are certain restrictions, but they are maybe more normal and they're more fun-loving than we are because they, courtesy playing Supriya, I would definitely say that they are amazing at what they're independent, they're working, they're singers, they're professional lawyers, they're in every industry, and there's not a sorry feeling or anything about it, and that's how it should be. And yeah, it's amazing.
Can you describe your experience with Ritik?
Very hard to describe because I fall short of words, I feel, because he's been such an inspiring influence on me. And I'm sure anybody who's worked with him or has known him even a little bit would agree with me because he's so hardworking and selflessly hardworking, so secure, and will be right out there to help you out, to help you take out the best. And I don't think without his support and the way and him and everybody's made me so comfortable, I would have been at such ease and been able to perform the way I could. So all credit to him.